Hello everyone, in this video we will solve page 93 energy transfer and convection on the workbook. The first question is the fill the blanks, and we have to put these words in this order. And second question, the purple crystal in this shape, and after heating the purple crystal will have dissolved and the color moved up, across and back down. When we heat the purple crystals, their density will decrease and they will go up, and at the top of water again they will be cooled and the density will be greater and they will come back. And B1, what is produced in the water when it is heated? This name of event is called convection current. And for C, there is an ice cube, and again we are heating this beaker, and the color of ice is purple. At initial, the ice particles is colder than water particles, so the particles will go down, and the particles of the ice is heated by the effect of the fire, and again they will go up, and we can write like this. And question 3, A1, started experiment, it will be like this. Smoke will enter the tube. For B1, the smoke spread out inside of the tube, and by the effect of heating by candle, they are heated and the particle density will decrease and they will go in this direction. Smokes are coming and they are spread out and they are heated by the candle, and density will decrease and they will go up. And C1, because candle warms the air, and we should know this, what happens if they are getting warm? They goes up, heated air goes up. And new topic, today we'll pass energy transfer, radiation. It is the third one. Radiation is different than other two transfer methods. What was the other two transfer methods? Conduction and convection. For conduction, we need a conduction. They must be in touching. And for convection, we need liquid or gas. But for radiation, we don't need any material. For example, the heat energy is coming from the sun, and it is following the spaceway, and in space there is no any material. Energy is moving in vacuum. We will study this topic on the four titles. And the first, reflecting radiation. The sum of light is reflected from our atmosphere. If you see, these numbers, 6% is reflected from atmosphere, 20% is from clouds, and 4 is reflected from our surface. And we can give another example for reflecting radiation. After running, our body gets hot, and it is reflected our energy. If we want to keep this energy, we wear some things. And second one, absorbing radiation. Also, all energy is not reflected. Some of are absorbed. And black objects absorb more than white objects. And there's a balance for reflecting and absorbing radiations. If our Earth absorb more energy its temperature increases and will be global warming. Also, the reflecting of heat energy is decreasing because of ozone layer. The layer of ozone layer is decreasing. So there is no more reflection. Absorption is more. Example for reflecting and absorbing heat energy. White object reflects more and black body objects, they absorb more than white. It is the reason why the people wear white clothes in the hot countries, because they reflect the energy. But for in winter, we wear usually black objects, black clothes, because they absorb more than other colors. And greenhouse effect. The reason for greenhouse is carbon dioxide. In the atmosphere there is a carbon dioxide. It keeps the temperature. And for different planets, for example for Venus, there is a more carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and its temperature is higher than Mercury and our Earth. For Mercury, temperature is very low because no atmosphere for Mercury. The electromagnetic spectrum, their speeds are same. They are moving with speed of light, the maximum speed 300,000 km per second. And the first radio waves has longest wavelength and lowest frequency. And the last one is gamma rays. Gamma rays have shortest wavelength and highest frequency. And your homework: stay home, keep safe.